While I thought the serving tray was pretty online, it actually exceeds my expectations in person. It's actually beautiful. These ceramic trays are about 2 inches. The bowl is surrounded by 5 different plates. And the whole thing, let's see, this measures 5 and this measures about 16 inches handle to handle. Handles have kind of a metal feel. Love that I can just pick this whole thing up and go. And this basket is actually hand woven and gorgeous. I actually like the stain. It's more of maybe a walnut stain in person. And these individual dishes slide out very easily. I actually think you could just use that woven basket with dividers on its own and these individual ceramic pieces on their own as well, which I love. It kind of does triple duty. As for the amount it actually holds, this is a double portion of blueberries and there's still space left over when I'm kind of loading this thing up. I have a whole almost full container of strawberries. I could definitely put almost double that amount there. And then I did some veggies as well. This is 3 carrots. Again, it's not even touching the amount of space. This is a couple different Cuban peppers and a whole cucumber. I could definitely easily slice a whole nother one. And then there's ample room in the middle for 8 ounces of your favorite dip or whatever you'd like to do. So I feel like I could easily double the amount of vegetables I put on here and fruits and vegetables. Love the amount that this thing holds and the versatility with that. I also just think this is a very thought out design. Love that the handles take it from the kitchen to the coffee table or wherever you'd like to use it. Easy to take things in and out for cleaning or just, hey, I just want to grab these nuts and take them over to the coffee table with me. So versatile. And speaking of cleaning, I very easily slid out all these pieces, hand washed them with soap and water super fast. They rinsed off very quickly, no issues there, letting them air dry. Overall, I think this thing is really the perfect balance of versatile versus pretty, detachable versus functional, just kind of what I was hoping for. Thanks to Seller for sending over such an attractive and useful tray and platter.